ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnia one shaka Frank Motors light koringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Hinyo pongot ki samla na kani ka jilla Meghalaya but na kiwe ki jaka kila Shah Jied benya shimbenta ha ka North East India Couture Fashion Week bila penya da ka NE Starlight Entertainment ka bansalong ha Vivanta Hotel ha ka khat nriu tarik but khat nyo tarik unopra araja arpulai. Haki jengkran baru Presiden jong ke NE Starlight Entertainment urujual Islam lihat ho banna ki daw ki bamla akhir la penkelano ya ke kerteng jong ke company na ke Fashion Entertainment jong ke NE Starlight Entertainment bat kum ru ya ke kerteng jong ke show na ke Eastern India Couture Fashion Week ya ke North East India Couture Fashion Week. Baru lihat ho ru bau CEO baru director jong ke company ulang Brian ke sangma ka ba unong seng jong ke NE Starlight Entertainment udah usamla Brandon Sun. Nakaliang jo usamla Brandon Sun ulaong baka jingwan ra ya ka ni karensan kalong ban kentiu ya ki Khynnah don sap jong ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya but ki designers na ki ki jilla but ulaong ru baki nong shimbenta ha ka audition ki don kumbashis pa ngut tam but ki bla Shah Jied ki don nyo pongut na ka jilla Meghalaya but na ki ki jakaru kumjo.
Hello, I'm Stella Lakyang and I'm the core team member of Northeast Starlight Entertainment, and I am very excited to announce that Mr. Brian K. Sangma is our CEO and director, and Brandon Sun is the founder of our company, which that is Northeast Starlight Fashion Entertainment. The show will be held on the 16th and 17th of December at Vivanta, Shillong.
Hi, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Tarsan Lingshan from Manipur and I am currently studying in Meghalaya. I am very ecstatic and grateful for getting this opportunity to showcase my passion. I am also very grateful for the CEO and the director, Brian K. Sangma. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Hakani Pawa. I'm one of the model of Northeast India Couture Fashion Week. First of all, I would like to give thanks to Northeast Starlight Entertainment for this opportunity, especially to Sir Riju and Sir Brian for bringing this opportunity in Meghalaya.
Good day, everyone. Nakatang in kamera, yung asung shipon ba isa Brian K. Sangma ila ayang ikinig opportunity ba kabang nila man kiyo siya prang mo na ba kampat judan hum kaniya po sa Meghalaya jeng di mga Shah Jied haga ni ka Indian East Couture Fashion Week. Di na ay sungo i-reduce sa ba ila irap hayang i-president jeng ni ka show but i-branded di ba di co-founder jeng ni ka show di namar ba ako man kiyo siya prang mo namar bon gi models na ni pada paunam ha gini ng Meghalaya jeng ni models di sungo shibon ba ila ayang ni opportunity ni. Thank you. Namar ba kani kadang day tangka first time mga le ang paju muli namang paju yo ay taka opportunity de asungo shibon namar ba i kaladan kung gani mo hapo Meghalaya jeng de tangka tayo no.
Hello everyone, I'm Rizal Islam, President of NE Starlight Entertainment. We are organizing a fashion show on 16th and 17th of December due to some uncertainties, due to some inconvenience cost. For those reasons, we had to change the name of the company and the name of the show. Right now, the company which is going to organize this show is from Meghalaya itself. The name of the company is NE Starlight Entertainment, and the name of the show will be Northeast India Couture Fashion Week. So the rest of the things are same, just the director, our director, he is Brian K. Sangma right now, the director and the CEO, and the founder of the company is Brandon Sun. So we are organizing this show with a great hope, and obviously with lots of plannings are going on. And as I stated earlier, the choreographer Ritik Sharma Tamuli, the best choreographer Ritik Sharma Tamuli, and the best choreographer Pranjit Setia, they are going to come here to choreograph the whole show. Again, like the best designers from Meghalaya region as well as from the Northeast regions are being invited, and they will be showcasing their best designs in this show. So like we are putting again live music to the shows also. Excited for the show. We being a team members itself are excited for the show because we are planning something big, and it will be like success with all the hopes. We want support from your end. The registration for the designers are going on, and it will be ended on we are keeping the last date of designers for 5th of December, and we welcome all the designers from the Northeast as well as from the Meghalaya region. You are welcome to showcase your design in the best way. Today we have put in workshop here and called all the models to teach them what actually this fashion week is, and we are guiding them and grouping them. The designers also came to take their models, to pick their models to showcase their designs. So all the models today who are present here, they are all the selected models for the show, and we have more models from the Northeast regions, but they will be available as soon as possible. But as of now, the models from Meghalaya, they have come together and we are forming a workshop here. So hoping for the best. Thank you.
Kumno fi along baro ngari Brandon, founder jong Northeast Starlight Entertainment. Ida ban ngi brand ki sama bade director ba CEO. Te ngi don ki members ngi bade bala don expertise ma yakane ka field ru. Te ngi wan rakna yakini yaki models ban pen cube ha ki models na Meghalaya. Na kiwi stage ru ki don pada long kiwi stage ki don production house jong la jong. Meghalaya padon ka production house kum kani. Te kani di la long ban ningkong do ngi ko ban yarap ha ki models ban Q. Ni mulai Havivanta Khynnah Khynnah tadi. Hoi kini models di bala select, mostly select models na Meghalaya itself. Come to 80%, the QQ percentage ni na Nagaland, Mizoram, then Assam ni don. The itu balai kia one, the maximum models ni Ashim beli na Meghalaya itself. Nilai don audition last time hadu sispa ngut tam, the na Meghalaya tam Meghalaya ben ni Ashim come to Nyopo Ngut. Itu ki extra pada ngi Ashim bikum na Assam ko mangoi fi Assam Mizoram Manipur kia don. Hoi kidi na wi na stage su kia wan lang ya ki designers ru na kiwi ki kelengro na you Assam na kiwi ki state beri na Northeast te ki showcase ki designs ni tang jom ki tu na Meghalaya ru ki don ki designers ru ngi showcase ki tu ru.
Ang ko mga brand ke sang ma ang ya show ni director wa timbe ang show ko to December 16 no wat ne fashion show ko timbe ko wan ba to na rana chanchi aro phangnan ya ko wat na taki are ko ya show ni man ang dalo rangatuk director wa digimde ya director wa ni man ang ya show ko ka suba taw na namba taw na rana chanchi aro ang dango ba kadwa ang ko na mi wat ke ni chanchi ya program ko ara mi ki chokot ke ni chanchi aro mandirang maksa donga ang maksang team members donga ang na bisona dakchakin aro ya December 16 aro 17 na ko Vivanta hotel wat ne jira ko na ko namba to na aro gasu bato na rana sutung khakin aro ya show ni den ram show ja ang ko dala minister na support kaya minister bang na dakchak ne fan na aro ya show ni man ang na bangwata ni dakchak ko mana minister ni dakchak ko ba aro methela ang dangi Sir James ko methela bi bang na dakchak ni show aro dang party ni member MLA rang bang na support kaya nim na show ko da December 16 wat ni aro 17 wat ni ay ko na bataw na rana chotung again aro ga suba taw na chotung again methela. Thank you. Methela ska anching ya minister ko biang na ya minister MLA rang bang batang na dakchaka ya program na aro kadunga bisong na dakchakin aro bisong na finance rang ba dakchaknya bang batang minister rang aro mungsumati ang na support ka James Sangma ang na blong be support ka jok aro tang MLA rang tang political leader rang ana support ka ya bisong mutel bia mutenas ka bisong na dakchaka aro ang ya kadunga ang ya show ko namba taw na ana chutung again mutela.